Here's an update on the NASDAQ trade that I took a few weeks ago. I'm still in the trade, and we've still been able to, at least up to this point, put in some higher lows and higher highs on the 4-hour chart. I'm currently long 700 shares of QQQ, and I've trailed my stop loss into profit, ensuring that I don't lose on what is a winning trade so far. But let's talk specifically about why I put my stop loss where it currently sits. My stop loss is just below the prior all-time trading highs that were back kind of the 10th of October before we saw that big sell-off. And then when we broke through those levels, I decided to put my stop loss just below them. And recently the NASDAQ's been pulling back a little bit. We tested this first area of support, this second area of support, filling the gap, by the way, but now seem to have at least found support for now. For me to trail my stop loss further, what I'd be looking for would be a clean break through the prior all-time highs to blue sky territory. If that happens, what I will then do is manage my trade further by taking this stop loss and trailing it further into profit. The reason I do this is because I like to trail stops loosely and administer to both price action, but also to fundamentals. I want to stay long the NASDAQ because I think earnings growth in the US stock market can continue to be strong as it has been this quarter into the future based on the economy. To track the US economy, I use the software that we built at my company, A1 Trading, the Edge Finder. The Edge Finder tracks a collection of economic data as well as the overall price directional bias, seasonality, institutional activity, crowd sentiment, and more. It helps me to filter my trades and find higher probability setups. So you can see the NASDAQ is currently getting a very bullish reading, with both the 4-hour chart and daily chart uptrend intact, the long-dated moving averages, the 20, 50, 100, and 200 all pointing bullish, and seasonality for the current month in bullish territory. So overall, we're getting a bullish technical reading, a bullish institutional activity reading, economic growth signals, thanks to today's ISM Services PMI numbers, look strong. The jobs market looks a little soft, and inflation data looks promising with better than expected inflation readings previously. While technical charts are useful, I like to combine them with the fundamentals. If you want to find out more about Edge Finder and take advantage of our Black Friday discounts that we're doing right now, click the link in my profile or in A1 Trading's profile.